guys, I'm just saying, the time to hit the pause, reset, restart, whatever terminology you want to use, I think we've gotten there. I think it's time to do that. Let me give you a little story. There's a gentleman that I know that has a really, really cool collection that I wanted to bring to you guys. And when I say cool, I mean cool. I'm talking rare, mint, like all of the above, the whole package. And he was super excited to do it. We were kind of putting it together. And then just out of the blue, he said, nah, I don't want to do it. You know what the reason that he gave me was? Is that he watches videos on YouTube as well. Mine, Brutal's, Neo's, other channels, obviously. And got to reading some of the comments and the just nasty, hateful, garbage people comment on YouTube and, you know, Facebook and other places. And he said he just didn't want to put himself out there like that. You know what? I don't frickin' blame him. Look, I'm a content creator. I put myself out there. I've got really thick skin. I'm a big boy. It doesn't faze me. But when we've gone so far that I can't bring you good, cool stuff that you'd love to see because of the negativity and the toxicity that is the comment section on pretty much all social media, it's gone too far. Look, I invite you to go check out the comments on any YouTube channel, not the first ones, because typically the first 15 to 20 are the cool guys, the great guys that support the channel, that support the creator, and have something positive to say. But as you keep going down a little farther, that's when the cancer comes in, and you just see negative comment after negative comment for no freaking reason. And the effects of that are just ruining. I'm telling you guys, and you guys have all seen it. You all know what the hell I'm talking about. It doesn't matter if you post a car for sale on Facebook and everybody freaking laughs at it, or, you know, makes comments about it and tries to tell you how much your car should be worth. Or, you know, say I do a video on my car and I don't install something the way they think it should be installed. All of a sudden I'm a fucking loser, pardon my French. It doesn't matter. Or I post up a nice car, or do a video of a nice vehicle, and everybody wants to trash talk it in the comments. And of course it's not, guys, this is everywhere. It doesn't matter what channel you go on YouTube, doesn't matter whose page you're on Facebook, it doesn't matter. It's everywhere. And the question is why? Like, what's the freaking point? Boys, look, I have seen it all. And I know if you've scrolled through the comments, you've seen it too. People call other people fat. They make fun of the shit they wear. They make racist comments. I mean, you name it. For what? Somebody that doesn't even know you, doesn't know anything about you other than what, you know, they see on the camera. For what reason? Is it to get attention? Typically it's, you know, some loser, you know, that has no friend, doesn't have a car of their own, that makes those shitty comments. So, is there really an answer for it? I'm not sure. If there is, I mean, the obvious answer is just shut the hell up if you don't have anything positive to say. Or, you know, remember that, you know, looking at a post on Facebook or watching a video on YouTube is completely voluntary. You know, there's nobody forcing you to do it. So just scroll by if you don't like the person that's creating or whatever. You know, it's really easy to just take your thumb and scroll on by. So I don't really know what the reason is for all of that. But it's just, man, I'm telling you, it's gone too freaking far. Now look, of course everybody's going to have a freaking opinion. Having an opinion and offering constructive criticism is fine. That's not at all what I'm talking about. I speak for most content creators I know, and I know a lot of them. We're all fine with constructive criticism. And I'm telling you, from experience, I've learned a lot from you guys in the comments on different stuff that we've done over the years. That's healthy. That's what it's all about. I'm not talking about that shit. I'm talking about just outright, for no reason, just saying the worst possible thing you can think of, I guess to get attention. You know what's bad too is I know a lot of guys that are extremely knowledgeable, extremely gifted, that could do some really good stuff that, you know, you and me and everybody would learn a lot from. And for that same reason, they're not going to do it. Not everybody's cut out to take the shit, you know. Some people let it get to them. You can't let it get to you, but, you know, I understand it. I know content creators that have quit, shut everything down for that reason. Like, you know, and the whole reason for this video is I can't bring you something because of this problem. And it's an epidemic. It's freaking everywhere. And makes it really tough for everyone that's doing this. I mean, there's nothing positive that comes out of any of it. But yeah, this one's going to be short and sweet. I've got other stuff I wanted to put out, but I wanted to put this out because it feels like it's not something that's getting better or going away. It's something that continually gets worse. And you know, like I said, you know, I moderate comments. You know, other guys moderate their comments, and you know, try to do that. Try to keep the negative BS out of it, but that takes a lot, you know. And it's something, you know, you as content creators, we always have to be working on more content, and to sit there and, you know, have to moderate unnecessary comments just takes your mind off the ball. So I don't know if I know you guys have seen it, and for all the awesome guys that support all of us and, you know, watch the videos, throw us a good comment, a like, whatever, I appreciate you guys. Help us out. If you see this negative garbage, report it. You know, shoot us a message or an email or something, you know, so that we can do something about it. Let's take out the trash, guys, because it's ruining it for everybody. And I'm pretty sure you guys are sick of seeing all that garbage too. Look, boys, I guess at the end of the day, I'd like the car community as a whole to be more of a positive place, a place where we can share ideas with each other, share tips and tricks and how-tos with each other, share other people's cool stuff, share our cool stuff. You know, I feel like that's what it's all about. I mean, that is a purpose of a car show, is to let other people see what you created. And, you know, creating content isn't really much different. You just, you know, you're not in person, you just get to see it online. And I know, for me personally, I enjoy watching car content, you know, not just Ford stuff, you know, I watch a little bit of everything. But I enjoy having that there, and knowing that all the negative garbage that has seeped into this community, that's hurting it. And it's hurting it in a big way. And, you know, like I said, I'm not the only one. It's everywhere. And I'm telling you guys, maybe we can all just work together and just put a stop, take out the trash, and get back to just enjoying our hobby. Because you're supposed to enjoy your hobby. It's not supposed to be a bunch of BS. So, guys, I hope you got something out of this. So if you did, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Catch you on the next one.